Study vocabularies or phrases. Number one, hang out with somebody. ដើរលេងជាមួយអ្នកណាម្នាក់ Number two, attend parties. ចូលរួមកម្មវិធីជប់លៀង Number three, close friend. មិត្តជិតស្និទ្ធ Number four, favorite color. ពណ៌ដែលចូលចិត្ត Number five, short and blunt. ទាបនិងធាត់ Number six, personal brand. ម៉ាកយីហោផ្ទាល់ខ្លួន Number seven, play an important role. ដើរតួយ៉ាងសំខាន់ Number eight, weird. ចម្លែក Number nine, fashion style. Still mode. Conversations about clothing. Conversations about clothing. សន្ទនាអំពីសម្លៀកបំពាក់ What is your favorite item of clothing? What is your favorite item of clothing? តើសម្លៀកបំពាក់ដែលអ្នកចូលចិត្តគឺជាអ្វី My favorite one is a maxi dress. I wear it when hanging out with my friends or attending parties. My favorite one is a maxi dress. I wear it when hanging out with my friends or attending parties. មួយដែលខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តគឺរ៉ូប Maxi ខ្ញុំពាក់វាពេលដើរលេងជាមួយមិត្តភ័ក្តិឬចូលរួមកម្មវិធីជប់លៀង When did you buy it? When did you buy it? តើអ្នកទិញវានៅពេលណា My friend gave it to me as a birthday present when I turned to 21. My friend gave it to me as a birthday present when I turned to 21. មិត្តភ័ក្តិរបស់ខ្ញុំបានឲ្យវាជាកាដូថ្ងៃខួបកំណើតពេលខ្ញុំអាយុ21ឆ្នាំ Where did you buy it? Where did you buy it? តើអ្នកទិញវានៅឯណា I had no idea where my close friend bought it. I had no idea where my close friend bought it. ខ្ញុំមិនដឹងថាមិត្តជិតស្និទ្ធរបស់ខ្ញុំទិញវានៅឯណាទេ What color is it? What color is it? តើវាមានពណ៌អ្វី It's blue, my favorite color. It's blue, my favorite color. ពណ៌ខៀវពណ៌ដែលខ្ញុំចូលចិត្ត Was it expensive? Was it expensive? តើវាថ្លៃទេ Yes, I guessed. Yes, I guessed. បាទខ្ញុំគិតថាថ្លៃ Why do you like it? Why did you like it? ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកចូលចិត្តវា Well, I'm kind of short and plump, so it's hard to find a piece of clothing that fits me perfectly, but one does. I also loved the color and style. Well, I'm kind of short and plump, so it's hard to find a piece of clothing that fits me perfectly, but that one does. I also loved the color and style. មែនហើយខ្ញុំរៀងទាបហើយធាត់ដូច្នេះវាពិបាកក្នុងការរកសម្លៀកបំពាក់ដែលសមនឹងខ្ញុំណាស់ប៉ុន្តែវាធ្វើបានខ្ញុំក៏ចូលចិត្តពណ៌និងរចនាបថផងដែរ Do clothes have to build your personal brand? Do clothes have to build your personal brand? តើសម្លៀកបំពាក់ជួយបង្កើតម៉ាកយីហោផ្ទាល់ខ្លួនរបស់អ្នកទេ Yes, I agree with it to some extent. I still believe that personal brand can be built from the inside rather than the outside. However, what you wear also plays an important role in saying who you are. Yes, I agree with it to some extent. I still believe that personal brand can be built from the inside rather than the outside. However, what you wear also plays an important role in saying who you are ចាស់ខ្ញុំយល់ស្របជាមួយវាក្នុងកម្រិតខ្លះខ្ញុំនៅតែជឿថាម៉ាកផ្ទាល់ខ្លួនអាចត្រូវបានបង្កើតឡើងពីខាងក្នុងជាជាងពីខាងក្រៅទោះជាយ៉ាងណាក៏ដោយអ្វីដែលអ្នកពាក់ក៏ដើរតួយ៉ាងសំខាន់ក្នុងការនិយាយថាអ្នកជានរណា Have you seen anybody wearing unusual clothes? Have you seen anybody wearing unusual clothes? ធ្លាប់ឃើញអ្នកណាស្លៀកពាក់មិនធម្មតាទេ Yes, I have, but I don't think any fashion style is weird. I believe everybody has their own taste of fashion. Yes, I have, but I don't think any fashion style is weird. I believe everybody has their own taste of fashion. ចាធ្លាប់ឃើញប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំមិនគិតថា style mode ណាមួយចម្លែកទេខ្ញុំជឿថាអ្នករាល់គ្នាមានរសជាតិនៃ mode រៀងខ្លួន How has your fashion style changed recently? How has your fashion style changed recently? ថ្មីនេះ style mode របស់អ្នកបានផ្លាស់ប្ដូរយ៉ាងណា I always wore a formal shirt and trousers when they were hanging out years ago, but now I change it to casuals like jeans and t-shirts. I always wore formal shirts and trousers when they were hanging out years ago, but now I change it to casuals like jeans and t-shirts. ខ្ញុំតែងតែពាក់អាវនិងខោផ្លូវការគ្រប់ពេលដែលដើរលេងកាលពីប្រហែលឆ្នាំមុនប៉ុន្តែឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំផ្លាស់ប្ដូរទៅជាខោ cowboy និងអាវយឺត Study vocabulary phrases. Number 1 hang out with somebody ដើរលេងជាមួយអ្នកណាម្នាក់ Number 2 attend Paris ចូលរួមកម្មវិធីជប់លៀង Number 3 close friend មិត្តជិតស្និទ្ធ Number 4 favorite color ពណ៌ដែលចូលចិត្ត Number 5 short and plump ទាបនិងធាត់ Number 6 personal brand ម៉ាកយីហោផ្ទាល់ខ្លួន Number 7 play an important role ដើរតួយ៉ាងសំខាន់ Number 8 weird ចម្លែក Number 9 fashion style still mode Thank you